Hello, my fashion lovers. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at how to cut facing for your Ankara dress. For any facing you want to cut to do your turning for the neck. This is a highly requested video from one of my subscribers on how to cut a facing. Please go to my page, to my videos, and learn how to make cut the shirt and how to cut the sleeve. But today we'll be looking at how to cut this facing. We don't really have any particular measurement for it. Just make sure that your folded edge, the neck, is close to the folded edge, and make sure it is double. Make sure that it is double. Get your fabric, place it under, and put your fabric on top. We don't really have any measurement for it. Place your fabric on top and make sure it aligns together to cut your facing, to turn the neck of your fabric. Make sure it's aligned together and you cut the exact measurement you have. That is what you're going to cut. That is what you're going to cut. Cut the neck. You cut out the armhole. Cut the shoulder. Cut out the shoulder. And for the shape, it all depends on the shape you want to give to it. For this one, I want a straight line. I want a straight facing for the back. For the front, you're going to do the same. Fold your fabric, and place your front pattern to it. Make sure it aligns together. Make sure it aligns together and cut. for the shoulder. For this one too, I want a straight line. I wouldn't want this front to be too long. Just a straight facing. And when you open it, this is how it's going to be. This is how it's going to be for the neck. This is how it's going to be. And when you place it to top the neck, this is how it's going to be. Then you sew with your ½ inch, sew with your ½ inch and turn. Sew with your ½ inch and turn. Thank you very much for joining me on this short video. Thank you very much. See you next time.